You are super excited to play Dead Space Remake, so you download and install it. But when you launch the game, you face this error. And you think, what's the problem with this game? Don't worry, it is not the problem with the game, but it is due to certain software that is missing in your PC. But after watching this video, you will fix it at once. So now without any further ado, let's start the video. But make sure to subscribe our channel and be part of our MK army. Simply download this software. Don't worry, you will get the link in the description box. After downloading, simply run the software. Now accept the agreement here, then click on next. Again click on next. Wait a little bit here for the installation to be completed. Once the installation complete, simply click on finish. Now open the game, you will don't face the error. If the problem is not fixed, then restart your PC. Then open the game, it will solve your problem. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day. See you in the next video.